In the pursuit of spiritual understanding, there exists a perspective that challenges conventional beliefs and beckons us to embrace a higher consciousness. The essence of this perspective lies in divine thinking, a transcendent mode that operates beyond the confines of probability. While it may seem abstract and contradictory to what we've learned, it holds the promise of unlocking profound inner bliss, urging us to be patient and open-minded. Divine thinking diverges from conventional notions of probability, for it envisions and manifests with absolute certainty. In this realm of thought, there is no classification of events as inherently good or bad. Instead, it centers on creation and experience, urging individuals to focus on the experiences they wish to encounter. As an individualized expression of the boundless divine, your thoughts play a pivotal role in shaping your reality. The divine, devoid of idle thoughts, takes your predominant thoughts literally, leading to their manifestation in your life. Thus, the narrative encourages a shift in mindset. Rather than labeling experiences as good or bad, focus on what is desirable or undesirable. By aligning your thoughts with the desired outcome, you pave the way for its manifestation in your reality. The disparity between divine thinking and human thinking becomes evident in the habitual nature of human thought, often dwelling on pointless topics or fears. The divine within, however, interprets these thoughts literally, manifesting them into reality. This incongruity can lead to recurring conflicts and challenges in one's life. To bridge this gap, the narrative proposes simplifying your approach by considering things as either desirable or undesirable. Refrain from labeling the undesirable as bad. Instead, shift your focus towards describing and contemplating the desirable state. In doing so, you harmonize your thoughts with the desired outcome, turning it into your reality. Beyond the constraints of time lies another facet of divine thinking. Swift and decisive, it manifests as soon as conceived, unbound by the limitations of time. Embracing the idea of fulfillment in the present moment becomes crucial, as your divine essence transcends time and space, experiencing all aspects of existence simultaneously. The concept of the fourth-dimensional self, as discussed by Neville Goddard, and scientific perspectives from Dr. Joe Dispenza, converge on the idea that all potential versions of yourself coexist in the quantum realm. By transforming into more energy and less matter, you can manipulate time. Time, as Einstein noted, is relative, and understanding this reveals that time holds no sway over your divinity. Shifting perspectives is emphasized as a means to break free from habitual thinking patterns rooted in past experiences. Divine thinking operates solely in the present moment, and dwelling on the past inadvertently recreates it in the now. Recognizing the power of feeling in thoughts becomes crucial. Feelingly thinking of something is akin to creating it. The narrative encourages assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled, aligning your attention with the route towards its manifestation. Desires are seen as confirmations from the divine realm, and resistance within oneself becomes the hindrance to their manifestation. Choices, fueled by human thinking, determine the experiences attracted, and the divine self responds accordingly. In the divine mindset, possibilities and probabilities cease to matter. The chaos in the world as observed is a consequence of human minds dwelling on good and bad, whereas the divine mind, a creative force, exists beyond the limitations of time and space. Adopting a mindset resembling that of the divine brings clarity and ease, revealing the truth that consistent thoughts shape one's being. In conclusion, thinking like the divine, embracing the I am presence, instills an unwavering assurance that everything is as it should be. This mindset liberates individuals from feelings of lack, filling them with profound bliss. By elevating consciousness and shedding lower-level thinking, a collective contribution can be made to making the world a better place. Failure to do so perpetuates suffering and ignorance of the fundamental principles governing life. In this realm of divine thinking, the tangible reality we perceive is but a dream in the mind of the all-encompassing divine. Thanks for watching.